It does look like very lush grass.
It is very lush grass.
Oh, she takes her shoes.
Don't step on these thorns.
Is it lush grass?
Yeah, they both have their breasts.
Strawberry.
What?
Strawberry's my favorite!
Oh my god, it scared the shit out of me. You know, somebody told me that oh my god, idiot. That Diet Coke gives you cancer, so I didn't never drink Diet Coke, and I love Diet Coke.
Oh my god, please hit him in the face. Please hit him in the face. Just let it hit you in the face one time. We'll make millions. Tackle her. Do it.
Throw it. No.
This is entertaining.
Little minute. Oh really? Yeah. You kind of suck at that. More?
How many quarters does he need?
Here, can I go toss your can around?
Yay!
Where'd your Coke go? I didn't drink it yet. I left it in there.
She didn't even toss it.
You were too quick! Oh god! You threw it too quick. You scared me.
Speaking backwards.
Now he's like malnourished now.
Malnourished. You have really bad aim.
I'm throwing it like this.
Yeah, your point.
I can't aim at all. Let me see one.
Can I throw it back?
We gotta throw it back.
It was left-handed.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, ow!
I was about to say, I was like, wait, Moose, do you have a frisbee? Failure. That would have been so much fun.
I'm pretty sure I have a frisbee somewhere.
Go ask your mama for a frisbee.
I have a frisbee upstairs.
Go ask your mama for a frisbee. Look at that good looking thing. I'm gonna have your baby.
Really, I'm
Who are you talking to?
You. Oh my god.
Yeah, bush.
Yeah, I don't get it. Idiot.
Does your knee still hurt?
Yes. Wrong. Turn that knee over here.
Oh, the bush.
Careful, don't. Seriously, don't. Those bricks from standing are loose.
Oh, I feel that now.
Stop.
It's way down there.
He's gonna get bit by a spider. I would never do that. I'd be like, that sucks. A bird or a child. Somebody kitten. That's Natalie and Eli's kitten. They got a new kitten. Come here, kitty. Let's hitchhike. I don't know. It's an old man.
No, we
They're really short shorts.
Ew. Hey, Diamond.
Diamond's in the rough, rough. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, I didn't call you.
Diamond, come here, sweetie. She has a culture. She sings all the time. Come here.
Come here.
Aw, she's so cute.
Hi, kitty.
She's
Love me.
Don't
Love
touch
me.
Ew, why are you having cat crap? I think he was trying to throw it to himself, play catch with himself.
I was like, da-da.
That kitten has a really loud meow.
Yeah.
It's in the garage.
You don't want to go rescue it.
This is this video is 6 minutes long.
Ew! See? Throw up. Did you just throw up? Did you just throw up the pot? Did you just throw up?
You better keep that pot down. He tripped over nothing. People are gonna think we're on drugs.
Probably because he threw up on it.
Holy
my
junk.
tummy. My tummy hurts.
Shit on my nose.
Why'd you throw it up?
Oh, I spit it out.
I see him.
You see him?
He's on the window.
Why did you throw up?
On the window.
Spit it out, 'cause you guys are making me laugh.
Oh,
You just
yeah.
hawked it up randomly.
Why, what?
The kitten. On the window.